People knew France was unstable, but no one expected the streets of Paris to explode with rage so powerful that it would shake every kingdom across Europe. In the late 1700s, France was drowning in debt while the royal court lived in extreme luxury. Common people worked hard every day, but barely had enough bread to survive. When bread prices suddenly tripled, frustration turned into anger across the entire nation. King Louis XVI tried to raise taxes again, and this pushed the people past their breaking point. The Estates General Meeting was called to fix the crisis, but the common people realized the system was built to silence them. They took a stand and formed the National Assembly, claiming they represented the real people of France. The king tried to block them, so they gathered in a tennis court and swore never to stop until France had a new constitution. Rumors spread that the king was sending troops to crush the movement. On July 14, 1789, thousands stormed the Bastille, not just for weapons, but as a symbol of ending royal oppression. The fall of the Bastille sent a shockwave across Europe. Kings everywhere feared their own people might rise next. Inside France, old laws collapsed almost overnight, and the revolution became unstoppable. The Declaration of the Rights of Man was announced, promising freedom and equality for all citizens. For the first time, the world saw ordinary people challenge absolute monarchy and win. Europe watched in disbelief as the French Revolution changed the idea of power forever. This revolution didn't just change France. It sparked a new age where people everywhere began to demand their rights, and the world has never been the same since.